everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Classrooms to Closings. I'm Mary Beth Burns, and I'm here to educate you on all things real estate. Before we get into this video, make sure that you have subscribed and give the video a thumbs up because it really helps me out. So, before we go into the house, there's a couple things. You know that I will always tell you guys about the schools. This house is zoned for Lassiter High School. I will be straight up honest, I don't know much about Lassiter High School. I know that they have a really good reputation, but if you haven't watched my video yet about great schools, then you don't know this. But if you have already watched it, you know that I will always tell you, you need to take a school tour to really find out what a school is really about. So, Lassiter High School has an awesome reputation. I cannot speak personally. I have not been there before. The other really cool thing about this house is the amenities. They have 2 tennis courts, 2 pools, and a lake. Like, it even has a boat launch. People are out there like kayaking and canoeing. It's really, really cool. This neighborhood's amenities are awesome. The other thing to know about this house is that it has a brand new roof. Now, for all of my first-time home buyers out there, that is something that's really important and you don't always think about looking for. Roofs are really expensive, and the fact that this one has a new one, you don't even have to worry about it. So without further ado, we're gonna head on into this house. Okay, so walking up into this house, you can see that there are 2 big double doors. That's the front door, which I think is always pretty nice. All right, big moment. Let's head in. So right when you walk in, you're greeted with the brick from the fireplace. Down here are the bedrooms and the basement. We'll go there next. But for now, let's head this way. Okay, here's one of the doors to the garage, and then there's a little wet bar here, pretty cool. And then you come into the family room. How cool are these ceilings? So pretty. I think they add such a unique touch. The carpet is so soft. It's so nice. And then here's kind of the focal point of the room, this big fireplace. And then right off the living room is this extra space. I guess you could put a table here or just make it an extension of your living room, but it's a step up. Thought that was kind of cool. Then you head into the kitchen. White cabinets, window over the sink, love that. Best thing ever, double oven. I love that. Very jealous, wish I had a double oven. And then you can head into this area, which is an additional dining space. Has laminate flooring, a pretty Tiffany style lamp. And I love this part. Look at this sunroom. Another example of beautiful wood ceilings. And it's just so private back here. It's like your own little vacation spot, it feels like. Okay, so now we're back to the wing with all of the bedrooms. There are 5 bedrooms in this house. Here are the stairs to the basement. We will go down there in a minute. But we'll walk down this hallway and check out the bedrooms. Here is one of the full baths for the kids to share. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. They're all about the same size, so no fighting if your kids do that. Attic access. Bedroom number 3. And the master has a nice vaulted ceiling. And do you guys ever, when you see access to the deck from the master bedroom, do people ever say, oh, I just can't wait to have a cup of coffee out there? Because that's what a lot of people I hear say, and I wonder how much they actually do that. But this deck, the door's locked, so I'm gonna leave it locked, is really big. It goes all, that's back in that sunroom where we were, so there's 3 access points to this deck. And it's just so private back here. It's so quiet. Okay, so let's head down to the basement. What I like about this basement is that it doesn't feel like a dungeon-y basement. It just feels like an extension of the house. It's pretty large. Nice carpet down here, feels so soft. That's some unfinished like storage. Big windows, so it feels really bright down here. And then if you come this way, there is a bathroom in here. Pretty cool, a full bath. So I feel like you could really use this space for guests. There's no light in here. It just, they must have had lamps in here. So sorry that's a little bit dark, but this is a bedroom down here, which I think is so nice. It's got its own entrance. So potentially this could be kind of like a little suite. Pretty cool feature.
Well, there you have it, another house tour down. I hope that you had just as much fun as I did. If you would like to see this house in person or any other house in the Metro Atlanta area, feel free to reach out to me. All of my information is in the description box below. But until then, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.